Hello guys. 45 Live Lessons from 90 Years Old is presented by A. Motivation. These are written by Regina Brett from her book God Never Blinks. Life is not fair, but it is still good. When in doubt, just take the next small step. Life is too short to waste time hating anyone. Don't take yourself so seriously, no one else does. Pay off your credit cards every month. You don't have to win every argument, agree to disagree. Save for retirement, starting with your first paycheck. When it's come to chocolate, resistance is futile. Make peace with your past so it won't screw up the present. It's okay to let your children see you cry. Don't compare your life to others. You have no idea what their journey is all about. If a relationship has to be secret, you should not be in it. Life is too short for long pity parties. Get busy living or get busy dying. You can get through anything if you stay put in today. A writer writes, if you want to be writer, write. It's never too late to have a happy childhood, but the second one is up to you and no one else. When it comes to going after what you love in life, don't take no for an answer. Burn the candles, use the nice sheets, wear the fancy lingerie. Don't save it for special occasion. Today is special. Be eccentric now. Don't wait for old age to wear purple. Over-prepare, then go with the flow. The most important sex organ is the brain. No one is in charge of your happiness except you. Frame every so-called disaster with these words, in 5 years will this matter? Forgive everyone everything. What other people think of you is none of your business. Time heals almost everything. Give time. However good or bad a situation is, it will change. Your job won't take care of you when you are sick. Your friends will. Stay in touch. Believe in miracles. Whatever doesn't kill you really does make you stronger. Growing old beats the alternative, dying young. Your children get only one childhood. Make it memorable. Get outside every day. Miracles are waiting everywhere. If we all threw our problems in a bag and saw everyone else's, we would grab ours back. Don't audit life. Show up and make the most of it now. Get rid of anything that is not useful, beautiful, or joyful. All that truly matters in the end is that you love. And why is a waste of time? You already have all you need. The best is yet to come. No matter how you feel, get up, dress up, and show up. Take a deep breath, it calms the mind. If you don't ask, you don't get. Yield. Life is not tied with a bow, but it's still a gift. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.